Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can add a TXT record in Cloudflare DNS. So the first thing that you will have to do is log into your Cloudflare, and then you will just have to select your domain and then just go ahead and click the three dots icon right here and then click configure DNS, and then what you will have to do is select add record, and then next you will just have to set the type to uh, TXT. So scroll down a little until you see it. And now that you're here, what you will have to do is enter the name field, and it is usually at for the root domain. And what you will do is after that, you will just have to paste the txt value provided by the service that you are verifying. And then next, you will just have to click save, which is right here. And then you will just have to wait a few minutes for propagation. And that's it. Finally, confirm the verification on the service platform. Thank you so much for watching, and I really hope it was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you, and have an awesome day.